Have you ever needed to untangle your thoughts? To talk through a problem, but not with friends, to avoid burdening them, and not with colleagues, to avoid gossip? The idea of seeing a therapist feels like a big step. Sound familiar? What if you already had a tool in your pocket for a safe first step? Today on Mind Hack Daily, 5 levels of prompts to turn ChatGPT from a simple chatbot into your personal thinking partner. From basic to advanced. Let's hack your mind.
Stop. Before we begin, a vital disclaimer. ChatGPT is artificial intelligence. It is not a therapist, psychologist, or friend. It has no true empathy, lived experience, or professional ethics. It's a powerful mirror for your thoughts. Use it for structuring mental chaos, generating self-reflection ideas, rehearsing for difficult conversations. Do not use it for deep depression, suicidal thoughts, panic attacks, or processing severe trauma. For those, seek a qualified human professional immediately. Understood? Now, to the practice.
Level 1. The mirror. The goal is to dump and structure your thoughts. No writing skills needed. Here's the magic starter prompt.
I want to sort out my feelings about...
I'll write a stream of consciousness, and you just summarize my key points and emotions, without judgment or advice.
You just type what's in your head. The AI summarizes. This reduces cognitive load. You see your thoughts from the outside. The first level magic is in the simple act of articulation. Level 2, the explorer. Now we go deeper. We ask the AI to ask us the right questions. This is a key hack for self-analysis. The prompt.
Act as a thoughtful coach. I'll describe a situation. Give me no more than 3 clarifying, open-ended questions at a time. No advice, only questions.
For example, to your statement, "I'm angry at my colleague," it might ask, "What personal boundary do you feel was crossed?" Or, "What would change if they apologized?" These questions channel your reflection productively.
Level 3, the strategist. Here, we use known psychological and strategic models. This is a superpower. Example prompts. These frameworks give structure to chaotic thinking. It's like Lego for self-analysis. The crucial level, dealing with your inner saboteur. Our brains love cognitive distortions. The antidote prompt. ChatGPT knows all the distortions. It helps repackage your thought from destructive to simply unpleasant but solvable. This is safe mode cognitive behavioral training.
The final level, the architect. Analysis without action is useless. This prompt turns insights into steps. The tiny steps technique is our ultimate hack against procrastination. The AI becomes your personal project manager for you, Inc.
So, 5 levels, from mirror to architect. Remember, the power isn't in the AI, it's in you. You are the driver. The tool is just a way to listen to yourself better. Your mission today? Open ChatGPT and try level 1 or 2 with any current situation. Just 10 minutes. Comment below. What was your one insight? If you want more practical mind hacks like this, subscribe and hit the bell. Next time, we'll break down how to use AI to defeat procrastination for good. This is Alex for the Mind Hack Daily. Hear yourself think.